Hi, Reino.
Hi, Reino.
Hi, Reino.
Happy birthday, 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 Reino.
Happy birthday. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
I just want to wish you a very happy birthday.
I'm just very thankful and grateful that the Lord brought you to our team and connected us in order to reflect Christ.
I want to sincerely thank you for your guidance and the video recordings you've shared. They've been a huge help in improving my skills and understanding.
Thank you for the care you showed to our team and patients.
Thank you for always practicing service above self. And also thank you for keeping your teammates accountable.
Thank you for always showing up with care, patience, big smile, and a great attitude.
I am so grateful for having someone like you on our team.
Thank you for taking the phone calls for our patients and always show your big smiles for our team.
Wishing you a blessed year ahead as you prepare to welcome your little one next year.
I hope you enjoy your time with your friends or family.
I hope your day is full of joy, laughter, and all the things that make you happiest.
May your special day be filled with joy, and may this year bring you health, peace, and many blessings.
Our patients truly feel loved and supported because of you.
I pray that today is a celebration of God and an opportunity to bring your community and your family members closer to Him.
I remember my first week in this team, and you told me I was not smiling big enough, and that made a big difference in shaping who I am today.
We also feel so inspired by your faith journey. You live it out with humility and strength.
I also want to congratulate you in advance on your coming baby girl. I'm sure she will bring so much happiness to your life.
I pray that your birthday would be more of a celebration of Christ and of you, but more of Christ, that you will overflow Christ to your friends, your family, your community, your congregation, and that each day He would fill your spirit more and more with Him so that you would reflect Him to your community.
May God's grace guide you and your family in this exciting new chapter.
I hope your birthday is full of blessing and joy, and I'm so excited for you as you prepare to be a dad soon.
I wish you a great happy birthday, surrounded by the people that you love, and I pray that your life will be filled with endless happiness and also blessings.
I hope this year brings you even more success, joy, and great health.
I'm very happy to work with you. I hope you enjoy your birthday.
Your support truly makes a difference.
Thank you, Reino, and happy birthday.
And again, happy birthday.
Enjoy your special day and all the exciting moments ahead.
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday.
Thank you, Reino. Happy birthday.
Once again, happy birthday, Reino.